Yesterday, we have seen that the Kaizen works on PDCA cycle. That not only PDCA cycle, it also works on SDCA cycle and PDCA cycle. SDCA cycle maintains whatever going on, and PDCA cycle is work or do the work in Kaizen or some light innovations. Kaizen is nothing but a continuous improvement process. So for that purpose, PDCA is going to be used, and SDCA means whatever we have planned, and that is going to be maintained. That is called as SDCA. So we have seen this. Now see, this is Gemba House. What is mean by Gemba House? Whatever we are working in, suppose this is an organization. Gemba House is nothing but is an organization or shop or a shop floor. Whatever, wherever you are working on that, there are input is there, process is there, and output is there. So input are man, machines, materials, methods, measurements, and quality, cost, and delivery. Is a, all these things are input, man, machine, materials, and this quality is cost, delivery, and quality. So for everyone, this man, machines, and everything, we are doing PDCA and improving the quality, reducing the cost, and reducing the time for the delivery in such manner, machines, materials, methods, and everything. Also, when after completion of PDCA, we are trying to maintain with the SDCA cycle, with the SDCA cycles. So in this way, we are keeping Gemba House means organization in such a way that we are moving ahead with quality, with by reducing cost, and by reducing delivery time. And here is the main motto is remove the waste. Mura, Mura, and Muri two are the main waste that we have to remove. This is the Kaizen process works on a following cycle. First of all, set the scene. Whatever going on, set the scene. Second, understand whatever we want to do in Kaizen, set that scene. Understand the current process. Third, develop the future state design for the required scene. Implement the solution and report and calibrate. Not a celebrate, it is a calibrate. It is a calibrate. So again, for first we have decided where we want to improve. For that purpose, understand the process according to the setting, whatever we have done the setting, do the future state design or develop the future state design, implement the solutions, and get the reports and calibrate. If it is okay, again okay, then we are going to maintain that. Whatever we are, if it is improved one, we are going to maintain that. Again, for improvement purpose, again set the scene, understand the current process, develop the future state of design, implement the solution, and report and calibrate. This is nothing but the PDCA cycle we are going to maintain for any Kaizen processes. For any Kaizen processes, we are maintaining this. See, Kaizen example for office days. If you go through this before applying the Kaizen, this is 5 years implementation is not there. So after 5 years implementation, see the picture. So what we have done, 5 years means sort and set in order, and due to this sort and set in order, we have changed the scenario of the or scene of the office. Unwanted pages we have removed, set in order, and for whatever will be the required, we are keeping in a proper manner. So that again, for the tooling management, different tools are there. So different tools we are arranged in a different manner. So we are going to keep it in a proper manner, so that we can handle, or we can worker can get any tool in a immediate time. Within no time he will get that tool, so that there will be no wastage of time for searching such a tool. Again, sales and marketing office, see before this and after putting this. So basically 5 years implementing, 5 years we are we are implementing 5S and getting the results, better results, getting the better results. This we have done with this is one, applying this PDCA, and now we are putting SDCA cycle over this, so that it should be maintained in a proper manner as we have changed it. Correct? SDCA cycle. Now Kaizen story, a QC story. Kaizen story is a standardized format to record Kaizen activities conducted by small group activities as quality circle. The Kaizen story follows the plan, do, check, act cycle. PDCA provides a framework for a team to carry out improvement. Again, quality circle is nothing but quality circle comes together. It is a quality circle is a group of up to 10 people. They will come, they will attack on a problem which is in the organization. According to that, they will plan, do, check and act. They will plan, they will do the activity, they confirm the activity, and if it is okay, they are going to work accordingly, act accordingly. So with the help of this, we are maintaining, or we are doing some improvements. Continuous improvements will be there. With the help of Kaizen, we achieve continuous improvement in the organizations, because it is a not non-ending process. Whatever we have done the changes, we have to move further, we have to move further, we have to achieve in a better quality, again better quality. We have to maintain office decorum. Everything we have to maintain, and that this is for applying Kaizen for improvement purpose, and SDCA for maintaining purpose. For that purpose, applying planning for the Kaizen, you have to ask for the any problem 5W and 1H answer. I'm again saying that whatever will be the problem, ask W 5W will be the questions related with 5Ws, and questions related with H. What is that the 5W? One is who, what, where, when, why, and what is H? H is how. So who does it, who is doing it, who should be doing it, who else can do it, who else should do it, who is doing 3MUs, what to do, what is being done, what should be done, what else can be done, what else should be done, what 3MUs being done, where to do it, where is to done, where is it done, where it should be done, where else can it be done, where else should it be done, where are 3MUs being done, when to do it, when is to do, when is it done, when should it be done, what other time can it be done, what other time should it be done, are there any time for 3MUs, why does we do it, why do it there, when do it then, why do it that way, are there 3MUs in the way of thinking, how to do it, how is it done, how should be done, can this method be used in other areas, is there any other way to do, are there any 3MUs in the method. These MUs, that means removal of mudas, MUs, 3MUs. What are the 3MUs? Again we will see that these are the 3MUs. See, Muda, Mura and Muri. Muda, Mura and Muri. These are the 3MUs. We have to work on these 3MUs, so that whatever will be the question, there will be one question on MU for implementing the Kaizen. What are the steps to achieve the Kaizen story? Select the theme. That means select the problem. Plan the schedule. How you are going to schedule, how you are going to eliminate that problem. Grasp the present situation. Establish the target. Analyze the cause and identify the corrective action. So these five steps comes under plan. Then implement corrective action, do. Evaluate the result, check. And standardize and follow up, act. These are the 8 steps which is going to be implemented while doing the Kaizen. We have to follow these steps. Again, these are 8 steps, but cycle we are following is plan, do, check, act. Whenever we are going to implement it, we are going to use the cycle plan, do, check it, and in that these 8 steps is nothing but it is the cycle for the plan, do, check it. Okay. Now for this we require some QC tools also. There are 7 QC tools which we have learned in MQC: stratification, check shift, control chart, Pareto diagram, cause and effect diagram, histogram, and scatter diagram. These are the 7 tools will be there for achieving the good quality. For achieving the good quality, we are going to use these 7 tools. These 7 QC tools can be implemented for the Kaizen also. That means data, check sheet, and everything. Because data is going to be continuously collected, those data should be continuously, we have to verify those data. For that purpose also we can use these 7 QC tools to improve the quality. This is the roadmap for Kaizen. That means first of all, elimination of 5S, daily manage meeting, everything. This is the roadmap. Month 1, month 2, month 3. This is not a one-day process. It is a continuous improvement process. So you have to continuously monitor this, and you have to move further and further in such a manner that there will be some improvement. There will be some improvement that you have to see. Otherwise, there is no use. What are the Kaizen is? Kaizen is continual improvement for better. Kaizen is see opportunities to improve. These eyes are a skill that can be developed through a technique and practice. Following slides are ways of techniques to be practiced. They will be they will help to widen the ability to recognize opportunity that may not fulfill full they not may not be in full view. Kaizen continual improvement for better. Kaizenize see opportunities to improve. See eyes are a skill that can be developed through a technique and practice. Management's role in Kaizen implementation. Communicate the need to change. काय आहे, गरज काय आहे, आपल्याला नीड कशा चेंजेस करायची गरज काय आहे. डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट पर्सनल कमिटमेंट टू प्रोसेस इम्प्रूव्हमेंट. एज्युकेट अँड ट्रेन द स्टाफ इन Kaizen. Plan and manage the improvement process. This is the management role. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will say, what did it ourselves. Now this is the end of regarding Kaizen. Kaizen works on PDCA cycle. Kaizen we are going to implement 7 QC tools. Quality tools are there. So quality and their management role is there. That is the important one. And steps. What are the steps you have to follow? That is again important one. So in this way we can implement Kaizen in any organization. We can implement Kaizen in our institute also. For that purpose also we have to what we want to do. So again, every problem you are going to ask the questions related with 5W and 1H. 5W and 1H. Okay, thank you. So next time we will see the next chapter like on GIT jet just in time. Okay, thank you.